Hello, guys. If you are working with cyber intelligence or you are trying to become a cybersecurity analyst or you are trying to become an ethical hacker, there is one tool that you must know how to use very well, and that is mmap. Yes, and I will tell you the reason why you need to know mmap very well in your cybersecurity journey.
This is the reason why you need Nmap. It's not just a tool, it's the Swiss Army knife for every aspiring hacker out there. Fasten your seatbelts because you are about to see why Nmap is a game changer in the world of cybersecurity. So, what's Nmap? It stands for Network Mapper, and trust me, it does exactly what it says. Imagine that you are a digital detective. Mmap is your magnifying glass, helping you inspect every nook and cranny of a network. This tool isn't just about poking around. It's about mapping your path in the digital jungle. With Nmap, hackers can discover which devices are connected to a network, what services they offer, what operating system they run on, and even find those sneaky open ports waiting to be explored. So, why do hackers love it? It's because it is fast, flexible, and free. And Mmap is open source, which means that it's constantly being refined by a community of sharp tech individuals around the globe. Plus, its simplicity means you need not to be a coding guru to start using it. Whether it's keeping an eye on network health or preparing for a cyber showdown, Mmap is the go-to for anyone serious about understanding and testing network security. So, next time you are curious about digital footprints around you, remember Mmap holds the map to your cyber expedition.